made it from St. Louis all the way down to South Texas. Set out and I wanted to see Starbase, and here we are. Absolutely beautiful.
This is me and my dog standing on the beach in Starbase, Texas, with SpaceX Mechazilla launch towers right behind me. I'm here because I want to get as many views of the rockets as possible. I want to take a video in front of the famous Starbase sign, and most importantly, I want to get up and close to the rockets that will send us to Mars and beyond. I've been obsessed with space for as long as I can remember, and I've been following the Starship program ever since Starhopper flew in 2019. Since then, it's been a dream of mine to see it in person.
Literal building falling out of the sky.
Flick the booster back up. This is a more surreal.
We won't be witnessing a launch, but I was still able to capture one of my all-time favorite videos that showcases how massive these machines really are. So let's flash back a few hours where we're getting ready to make the drive from Edinburgh to Brownsville and then on to Starbase.
There's 3 eggs.
Now this right here is egg on bread. We got protein. We're eating good today, brothers. Eating real good.
So it's super windy and cold outside. We need to bundle this little hot dog up. Penny has short hair, so every little bit of clothing counts. We threw this sweater on her and we're out the door.
Alright, my friends, this is it. We are officially on the freeway, on the way to Brownsville. You might be able to tell, I'm getting pretty excited. It's an overcast day, and yesterday it was up to 86 degrees, and now it's 43 with a wind chill of 30 degrees. The only thing which kind of sucks is I won't be able to chill out on the beach. I thought it was going to be a lot, warmer. So, but we're about just under an hour out, 60 something miles until we get to Brownsville, and then after that it's on to Starbase itself. Pit stop. It is windy as heck. Lots of palm trees waving in the wind and stuff like that. But anyways, we are about 40 minutes out from Starbase. It's unfortunate how it's so freaking windy. Makes it very cold. But hey, I'll take what I can get. Boca Chica Beach, and it's looking pretty windy, of course, as expected, but that's all right. I'm looking at some crashing waves come across the horizon. I'm going to take a closer look at that very soon, but yeah, let's get after it. Let's conquer this windy day, huh, Penny?
So I'm sure you probably couldn't tell, but right here is the Starbase sign, and unfortunately they turned it into a parking lot. So we'll have to settle for this for our video of the Starbase sign.
Welcome to Boca Chica Beach. Well, my friends, we made it from St. Louis all the way down to South Texas to the beach. It's not exactly surfing weather. The sign says high hazard, but I don't think my dog has ever been to a beach before, now that I think about it. Oh God, went too far. My feet got wet. Well, anyways, check it out. Launch tower is behind us. I got you. Oh man. my friends. We made it. We've got the launch towers behind us. You might be able to tell that it's slightly windy. My dog is all cold and sandy. She wants to go back into the warmth, as do I. I also would love to see a restroom. Might need to drive back to Brownsville, and I think I'm gonna come back out here and take a closer look at the actual factory versus the launch site. But I'm looking at the testing stand, the 2 launch towers, and I'm just hearing a lot of construction noises.
So this is actually one of my favorite shots ever. It actually comes from this wide angle, but I zoomed in and did a little bit of AI enhancement. And for some reason, it reminds me of these photos here. I could be crazy, but really, I'm just glad to be here right now.
My dog is shivering, but she's never seen a beach before. Maybe next time I can take her to one that's not so gosh darn cold. But hopefully the audio isn't too terrible. You got the sound of the wind, the sound of the waves, the sound of my dog's teeth chattering. Yeah, oh my goodness. I know, dude. I know. So yeah, we made it to the beach from St. Louis all the way down to southern Texas. But we've made quite the journey so far. And I set out and I wanted to see Starbase, and here we are. Absolutely beautiful. Well, I'm going to head back to my vehicle. I'm gonna pack up this stuff quickly, and I'm gonna rush back to Brownsville to a gas station or something to find a bathroom and get this one warmed up and stuff. So yeah, let's head on back.
So I ended up driving back to Brownsville using the restroom, picking up some snacks, and then I made my way back to Starbase, where Penny and I would eat some lunch with a front row seat to the Star Hopper.
We made it back out to Starbase. I've got a really good look of the Star Hopper. I'm out here, might as well make a little bit of a day of it, right? So, pop open my old lunchbox here, and let's rate the crunch here. Let's rate the crispiness of this apple. 10 out of 10. My dog rates it a 10 as well. There's someone that I know that really loves ham. She's so excited that she can't hold it in her. She's shaking. You want some ham? You're a good girl for staying. You're a very good girl. Check out my sandwich. Yes, sir. You want to get some ham? Yeah, you already did a good job at eating your food. Now you can have some extras. Okay. Destroying that ham. Inhaling it. It's all gone. Good girl. That's it. So there you have it. If you enjoyed the video, it would mean the world to me if you can press like and even hit subscribe to help launch this small YouTube channel off the ground. We're spending 6 months to explore the USA, and this is taken from the first month of our journey. If you're looking for more, you could pick up where you left off on the right side of the screen here in the full Texas documentary, or you could backtrack and watch the first chapter of Modern Nomad. And if you wish, you can keep watching small snippets below that one. That's all I got for you, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.